Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by positioning the net over the hair, centering at the hairline. This immediately secures shape. Once placed, pin at temples and crown so the net won't shift while you sew. Make sure to divide hair into 3-4 clipped sections under the net to reduce bulk and create smooth contours. You want the net taut but not stretched. This balances hold versus comfort. From here, thread a curved needle with strong thread and knot securely, ready for the first stitch along the perimeter. You now start sewing our temple anchor point, passing the needle through the net and a small scalp side stitch to catch hair without pulling. Once done, continue with a running or overcast stitch at roughly 1/4 inch intervals. This prevents gaps and distributes tension. Make sure to move methodically from temple to crown and then to the nape, adjusting pins and smoothing hair as you go. Every 4 to 6 stitches, pause and try the cap on to confirm fit and even tension before proceeding. You finish by securing a tight knot near the nape and burying the thread tail under the net so nothing shows. This completes the hold. Once done, trim excess netting and add reinforcement stitches at stress points like the temples and nape to prevent early tearing. If you notice puckering or uneven fit, don't panic. Release 1 to 2 stitches in that area, smooth the net, and resew with slightly reduced tension. Make sure to test movement. The net should stay secure but feel comfortable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.